This text is about autumn. Check out the vocabulary collection. Meteorological autumn is September, October, and November. Astronomical autumn is between September 22nd and December 21st. Of course, this is only for the Northern Hemisphere. In Australia, for example, the autumn months are March, April, and May. This season has two names, fall and autumn. Autumn is more formal. Fall is more commonly used in the US. The weather slowly cools as the days grow shorter. The skies are cloudy and it rains a lot. The leaves change color and then fall to the ground. Everyone loves autumn colors. Birds migrate south away from the cold. Animals gather food to store for the winter. People prepare for winter as well. They harvest the last crops. For example, grapes are harvested on vineyards and the wineries prepare wine from them. Pumpkins and chestnuts are also popular autumn crops. Warm up on a cool day with a pumpkin soup or roasted chestnuts. You can also eat pumpkin spice cookies or drink a latte. Pumpkin spice doesn't have any pumpkin in it, but it's a spice mix popular in autumn. Check out my recipe for pumpkin spice shortbread cookies, link in the description. People dress more warmly. They take out their jackets, wear jeans and trainers. Women wear pantyhose under their skirts. Children go to school and parents spend a lot of money on supplies. There is also work in the garden, raking up the fallen leaves. There are many holidays in autumn. Halloween and the related holidays are covered in another video. So is Thanksgiving in the US and Canada. The first American holiday in autumn is Labor Day. It's the first Monday in September. It's the day to celebrate the achievements of the American workers. It was first celebrated in 1882. A new holiday was added in September not that long ago. It's called Patriot Day and is celebrated in the US on the 11th. It's to commemorate the people who died on 9/11 in 2001. It was the day when terrorists flew passenger planes into the Twin Towers in New York and into the Pentagon in Washington, D.C. A fourth plane was going to fly into the White House, but the people on the plane attacked the terrorists and crashed the plane into a field. People all over the world were shocked at these events. In October, they celebrate Columbus Day. In many countries, it's celebrated on October 12th, the day he arrived to the Americas, but in the US, it's on the second Monday in October. It's slowly being replaced by Indigenous Peoples Day because the colonization that started with Columbus cost the lives and the freedom of the native people in the Americas. In the US, elections are held on the first Tuesday in November. Every 4 years, they vote on the president, every 6 years, the senators, and every 2 years, the congressman. This is a problem for many people because it's a work day. Guy Fawkes Night or Guy Fawkes Day is celebrated in the UK on November 5th. In 1605, Guy Fawkes was part of the Gunpowder Plot when a group tried to blow up the House of Lords with King James I. The plot was uncovered and the people arrested and executed. Now the day is celebrated with huge bonfires and fireworks. There is also a simple rhyme to remember this day. Remember, remember the 5th of November, the gunpowder treason and plot. I know of no reason why gunpowder treason should ever be forgot. On November 11th is Veterans Day, when in the US they remember people who fought in wars. In the UK and the Commonwealth member states, it's called Remembrance Day, and it's to remember the people who fought in the First World War. They hold 2 minutes of silence at 11 a.m. Poppies are the symbols of this day, and organizations for veterans sell poppies for donations. Also, a lot of people put them on their collars. In Scotland, on November the 30th, they celebrate St. Andrew's Day. They fly the Scottish flag and celebrate Scottish culture. Have lots of fun in the autumn and enjoy the last warm days. Check out the vocabulary collection. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, please support my work on Patreon.